Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, I'll be showing you how to use index and match to generate specific product reports. We'll be generating our reports in this section. Here is our data set. We have our products, we have the months from January to December, and we have the sales of each of these products for each of those months. Now, imagine that you have a very large database that spans beyond 1,000 rows. You have to be scrolling down in order to get a specific information for a product and for a particular month. So in this lesson, I'll be showing you how to do that easily using the index and match function. In this report section, we have our month and we have our products. I've already used the list data validation method to input on this, meaning that you can select from the list, from the drop-down list to ensure that you select the right month based on the month range we'll be looking at. And also the same for the products. You can just use the drop-down to select and ensure. So we arrived at this by using the data validation. You go to your data set and use the data validation. That's how I got this right, using this range and this range for the product. So what we'll be looking for now is the position of October in this range and the position of product 08 in this range. I'll be using our match function to get the position. If you have not watched the lesson on the match function, please check my channel for how the match function works so that you will understand when to use the match function. The match function, you use it to find the position of a particular value. And we want to get the position of this value in the column range and thus in the row range. So go with the equal to match. So what are we looking out for? We're looking out for October. At which range are we looking out for? The month range, and it's in the column area. So it's the column heading we are looking out for. So we want to get the exact. So put 0. We are looking for the exact match. Put 0, and there we go. So it's telling us October is in the 10th position. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th position. So let's look at the position of product 08 equals to match. We're looking out for product 08. Where are we looking out for it? We are looking out for it in this range of rows, right? From this point to this point. And we want to get the exact. We put 0. We're looking for the exact match for that. So it's telling us product 08 in the 8th position, the 8th row. Good. So why, you ask, why are we looking for? What we are looking for is the sales value of product 8 in the month of October. So why this position? Yes, we need this match function in order to be able to generate the sales value for product 8 in the month of October. So we will now come to this point and use the index function, adding to this match function we've already used in this two cell. So it say equals to index. What's the array? We're looking at this is the array. This is the range we are looking out for the sales value, where we want to get the sales value from, right? So what's the row number? Remember, the row number is this particular product. We've already inputted the match function here, so we'll just select it. And what's the column? The column is the October. Then we'll just close, and it's telling us that the sales value for product 08 for the month of October is 92,208. So if you look at product 08 for the month of October is what? So you look at it, 92,206. So let's say we change this to, let's say June. You see it changes. So meaning that with this, it's easy to get a specific report from a large database. You don't need to keep scrolling and trying to locate at the point where these values are, right? So that's how you use the index and match function to perform this kind of function and get this result, right? So if you've gotten value from this, please do well to share this video, this lesson with as many that you know that will benefit from it. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.